You have the product. You have the offer. So why isn't anyone buying? You think sales are about the product? Wrong. People don't buy products. They buy solutions. Nobody wakes up thinking, I need to buy a course, or I need another tool. They wake up thinking, I need to make more money. I need to get more clients. I need to lose weight, feel better, fix this problem in my life. If your product isn't selling, it's because people don't see it as the answer to their problem. You might be selling features when you should be selling transformation. Let me show you what I mean. Let's say you sell a course on freelancing. If you say, this course has 10 modules, 5 worksheets, and 2 hours of content, nobody cares. But if you say, this course shows you how to land high-paying freelance clients in 30 days, so you can quit your 9-to-5 and work on your own terms. Now, you have their attention. See the difference? One is about features, the other is about outcomes. People don't buy your product, they buy the results your product delivers. So instead of selling the what, sell the why. Instead of listing features, paint the before and after. Because when people can see themselves in the transformation, they buy. Here's a quick way to check if your product is selling the right way. The 3-second test. Ask yourself, if a complete stranger saw your offer for 3 seconds, would they instantly know how it helps them? If the answer is no, fix it. Make the transformation clearer. Make the value instant. Because confused people don't buy. If you want people to buy, remove all the reasons not to. Make the decision easy. Here's how. Speak their language. Use words your audience actually uses, not industry jargon. Show proof, testimonials, case studies, real results. People trust people. Reduce the risk, money-back guarantees, free trials, no-brainer bonuses. Create urgency. If there's no reason to buy now, they'll put it off. And most importantly, make it about them. Because the second someone sees your offer and thinks, this is exactly what I need, the sale is already made. Most people don't buy because they're unsure. They hesitate. They overthink. Not because they don't want what you're selling, but because your message isn't making it obvious why they need it. Think about the last time you almost bought something but didn't. Was it the price? Or was it the doubt creeping in? Will this really work for me? Is this worth it? What if I regret this? Your job isn't just to sell, it's to remove hesitation. When people see the value instantly, when they trust the offer, when they believe the transformation is possible for them, buying becomes the next logical step. If nobody's buying, it's not because your product isn't good. It's because people don't see how it changes their life. So fix that. Make your messaging crystal clear. Sell the transformation, not the product. Because when people truly understand the value, they don't just buy, they can't wait to. Subscribe for more.